Well, let's now focus on the heat wave that is sweeping across the north, and in Uttar Pradesh, it's causing a spike in deaths, and not just of the regular public, but also those on poll duty. Remember, tomorrow is the 7th and last phase of polling, and several officials are out and about on poll duty. And now reports coming in of deaths taking place. In fact, in Sonbhadra in Uttar Pradesh, reports say poll officials have died due to the heat wave. There's a third death which is also suspected due to the heat wave, while in Mirzapur at a hospital there, 6 security officials have died due to the heat wave, and 2 people are critical. Temperatures in Uttar Pradesh are above 40 degrees. In fact, it's been a record-breaking temperature in many areas. It's been above the normal temperature usual for this time of the year. In fact, in Lucknow has recorded a maximum temperature of 44 degrees today. Let's just listen in to what some of the officials had to say about the spike in deaths.
सोनभद्र ज़िले में एक ऐसी सूचना आई कि एक मतदान कर्मी जिसकी तबीयत ख़राब हुई थी डिस्पैच के समय, उसको हॉस्पिटल ले जाया गया और बाद में उनकी डेथ हो गई। और इस समय टेम्परेचर काफ़ी हाई है। पिछले 3-4 दिन से नॉर्दर्न इंडिया में, दिल्ली में, उत्तर प्रदेश के विभिन्न शहरों में काफ़ी ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर है। सो इसको देखते हुए आज पुनः सभी डीओज़ को, सभी आरओज़ को बताया गया कि इस तरह की घटनाओं से हम लोग बचें, सारे प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर हम लोग करें।
आज हमारे पास देखिए टोटल अभी तक हमारे पास 23 जवान आए हैं। 6 जवान हमारे इस समय मोर्टेलिटी मौत हो गई है, बाकी सभी को निकालिए सेटल्ड हैं। 2 पेशेंट अभी हमारे 2 जवान वो अभी थोड़ा गंभीर अवस्था में हैं।
कारण क्या है?
इनका कारण ये है कि हमारे पास जब आए हाई ग्रेड फीवर था और बीपी बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ा हुआ, सबका आ रहा, डायबिटीज़ शुगर बहुत बढ़ी हुई आ रही है, ब्रेन स्ट्रोक के भी चांस हो सकते हैं क्योंकि सडनली जो हिस्ट्री मिली मुझे कि वहीं गिरे हैं। तो हाई ग्रेड फीवर, हाई ग्रेड ये बीपी, उसकी वजह से इनको ब्रेन स्ट्रोक भी हो सकता है, जिसकी वजह से मौत का कारण हो सकता है।
कहाँ पे ड्यूटी करने आए थे?
ये चुनाव ड्यूटी में आए हैं और डिफरेंट जिले के हैं।
All right, let's go across to Tanishq now for more. And Tanishq, we have seen an increase in deaths, in various parts of the country due to the heat wave. But now, given that the 7th phase of polling is going to take place tomorrow, there are many security officials that are out and about on duty, polling agents as well. So very concerning that so many deaths are being reported. And, we know Eastern UP is going to the polls tomorrow. And now these reports from Mirzapur, from Sonbhadra coming in.
Yes, of course, Gargi, not just Mirzapur or Sonbhadra, 2 people have also died in Amethi as well. But, they were, of course, not poll officials. But yes, very concerning reports coming. In fact, the temperature across parts of Uttar Pradesh, especially eastern Uttar Pradesh, is more than 45 degrees in some parts of Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about Varanasi, at 6 p.m. the temperature was around 40, more than 40 degrees here as well in Varanasi. But yes, concerning reports of people dying due to heat wave coming up in Sonbhadra, as you were mentioning. In Sonbhadra, at least 8 poll workers are now ill because of the heat wave. They are undergoing treatment, and 2 of them have died. So the CMO has confirmed that 2 of them died due to the heat wave. One, of course, the postmortem is left. So, but it is a case of suspected heat wave death in Sonbhadra. So, of course, very concerning reports, as you mentioned, in Mirzapur also at least 6 security personnel, including 5 home guards, have died in this heat wave. But at the same point of time, the government is now stepping up regarding this, because Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has, of course, issued directions to ensure that there should be no power cuts and there should be adequate water supply at everywhere because of the heat wave. So, of course, the government also now stepping up regarding this. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's office has issued directions to departments for this heat wave. But yes, concerning reports, in fact, in some districts, not just humans, there were, of course, deaths of a lot of bats also taking place. So heat wave, impacting everybody in parts of Uttar Pradesh. Yes.